Hey Paul, so you said after 30 days from our Instagram message, after 30 days, you'll have a custom URL, so like it'll always be the same for the live streams.
Yep, yeah, it'll be youtube.com/tradingwithpaul.
Okay, sick. I'll just wait until then.
I think I'm only a
'Cause I
few
want to
days.
do.
I'm only a few days away.
Yeah, it's cool. Because my thought is gonna do a link tree with the clothing brand, with my other marketing website, and then I'll put this on there too. So that way, when people ask me, I just say, "Hey, go to my link tree and go onto it every night."
Okay, sweet. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Alright, we are live. What up, Mad? Hopefully this 5 minute will hold. Or break the high and give us a higher high. That'd be cool too. Oh my god. Oh my fucking god.
Which is about the only easy stat that NFL people love and view with reverence, is 10 point.
Holy 5 minute, dude.
Yep.
Did you get wicked or no?
Yep, I'm out.
Damn, mine's still in.
I better be fucking out.
Damn, that sucks, bro.
I think mine froze. Yeah, mine's still in. I'm just closing. It's only at 5 pips. Haha. Fuck the broker. Yeah, the broker. Yeah, I closed. I was only minus 5 pips, 4.5 pips, and it's past my stop loss. So I got lucky. What up, Broham? Black Box, Sid, Kiari, Sarin. Well, that's
I
important.
just had like kind of 1 hour setup. Man. Watch this shit with like, and then probably go.
I just got stopped. Damn it.
Yeah. But if y'all look at the 30-minute, if you go to 231, you see that 30-minute candle. I think that was the retest.
Where's the retest? 231.
Yeah.
Oh, I gotcha. Jesus.
Yeah, then you go to the 15-minute, and you can see it a little more clearly. You can put a zone there as well. You see how it retests that area, wicked under, and every candle just stood under.
Yep. Yeah.
But I see, but it's probably gonna reject now, because this is what I was saying. Like they're probably gonna wick and then come back up. So let's just see how this 30-minute closes.
Yeah, it's all good. I only lost 4.5.
Dude, that's what I was thinking. I was thinking that it was gonna hit that bottom wick and then reject, but I didn't want to have a bigger stop loss than what I had.
Yeah, I was hoping a bullish hourly close would have continued us up and held support, but oh well.
Just doing his magic.
Yeah, I got you. But because my second target is 143.004 from the 4 hour. If this 30-minute closes bearish.
Okay, yeah, I see what you're saying. Yeah, it looks like it's just filling that wick, and then it'll start to go bullish and then push up.
Yeah, I think that because of the daily, because now like it covered that area in the daily, and I think it just needed a daily wick.
Yeah, now we can go up. So yep, just wait for some bullish confirmation. And plus, we kind of just cleared all that traffic to the left too, so we'll have even more room to go up. Oh damn, we're already up to 50. Damn. GA looks like a buy now. What up, Turtle? Pips, Iron Man, Ashley. I took it based on the hourly close, so this is exactly what I did this morning. So I just took it on this hourly close. We kind of came down. I felt like this wick, if it was gonna go fill this, it would have. And then we were gonna head up, but didn't play out. So I think now we'll kind of flip bullish here, and then we'll head up to here. But we can target this area to be smart. And it was only a 5 pip stop, so 5 pips for 22 pips made sense to me.
So what are you thinking? Waiting for a 15-minute close? Because I feel like if we wait for a 30-minute close, it's gonna rocket all the way back up to where our first entry was.
Yeah, just gonna wait. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait. No sells.
That's rough.
I'll be here, brother.
Think of what's pushed down anyway. There's more cells.
What's going on, guys?
What up, John?
What's going on, John?
Hello, how are you guys?
Raja Banks. What's up, man?
Hey, good.
Hello, Raja.
Looks like you just fell down.
Yeah, I had a buy-in on the hourly close and it didn't play out.
Yeah, you know what? Looking at the daily, it does seem like that this current daily candle is gonna, like, it should flip bullish.
Yeah, we were saying we thought Sakim was saying it needed a deeper bottom wick because it didn't really bounce off of anything to kind of hold and push us up. So
Yeah.
we just got in too early, but the hourly was exactly what I did this morning, so I just took it. 5 pips for 5 pips for 22 pips. I mean, it made sense.
Nice.
So, but now we got more room to go up, so even better.
Yeah, I mean, if you look at the 4-hour, you'll see that the 4-hour is bearish, right?
Yeah.
But to the left, it has those wicks. So,
Thank you.
yeah, so I think I heard this before, but a support form there would be perfect.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
That's what I kind of figured too with those wicks. But would you think that it would come down and then like form the support like at the body there, so the wicks would kind of go right in the body and then continue up?
Yeah, like I'm kind of seeing it in a way that the 4-hour is coming down now, especially that the 4-hour candle formed, like an hour and a half ago started forming, and it's just bearish. So with those wicks to the left, I feel like it should reject this area around here to continue moving up.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, my bias was the monthly flipping.
Yeah, because it's just like yesterday in Asian session where the New York made a high. So same thing here. New York made a high at 143,400. So it would just make sense that if the daily is bullish and the high has been made, it just needs to create that lower wick on the daily, which will be a support.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so I think if this 30-minute goes bullish, we should be good.
Yeah, I think so too.
Yeah. Got in a little early. Oh well.
Got in a little early.
Because I think the monthly is gonna flip by tomorrow in New York or tomorrow in Asian.
Yeah.
I mean, the flip is only about it's only, I mean, it's like 90 pips away, but for 3 sessions, 2 days, it's not that much.
Yeah, and plus you got you got pound CPI as well.
Okay. Is that Friday?
No, bro. That's tomorrow. Well, like tonight.
Oh, is that what that orange folder was? No, that's JPY. Oh, there it is. Okay, tomorrow. Yeah. Okay, 3:30. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Damn, someone just took a sell.
I thought it would come up a little more.
The one thing you don't want to do right now is take a buy because it's dropping.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's gonna go to 0.55 or 9.54, I'm thinking.
I am on gold buys.
Okay. What up, Ali? David, Philip, Sergio, Java, Cooley. I think I got everyone. I think we're going to get a lot of volume today. I just feel it. Rakil, do you know a Roham FX?
Yeah.
He says to give him Zoom ID. Do I do it?
It's up to you.
Well, I told him it's only for if he's not in your group or my group, I'm not going to give it to him. But if he's your like good friend, I really don't care.
Yeah, he's a nice guy. He's from Iran as well, and Trump is about to go all in Iran. So
Oh shit.
yeah, maybe he could give us some insights about Iran, what's happening.
Okay. As long as he's not obnoxious.
No, he's a nice guy.
Okay.
Yeah, we can hear his insight, his side of the story now.
Said Rakil is my friend, bro. Trust me.
Trust me. Trust is such a big word.
Yeah.
No, it's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. Trust me. Trust me.
Yeah. Oh, damn, up to 120 already. I didn't even pay attention. What up, cats? Yeah, so we are 0 for 1 so far today on Asian. We had a early entry before the stream started, and the idea was based on the hourly. So if you saw my trade this morning, I basically took a buy on this hourly candle. So once this hourly candle closed, it looked like a good bullish candle, so I took it, and that happened. So I'm gonna wait for some support to form and then look to take buys. Probably first target like 208 area, and then I'm gonna let a runner go to 143, like 400 area, because I think we're gonna get a flip on the monthly candle, which is right here at this black line at 143.999. So I think 143,400's easily attainable. But definitely going to wait for a 30-minute bullish candle because not going to go 0 for 2. Rakeel, what music can you play on YouTube?
You can play. There's a YouTube audio library, so you can download music from there and just play that.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what I do. I just have my music on repeat.
Yeah, I was thinking I could sing, but I don't want it to get copyrighted because it's so good.
Yeah. They might copyright you against yourself.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
Yo, this is obviously a very high time frame, but if you go to the monthly, I absolutely love the way that this monthly is.
Mm-hmm.
Bottom went down, and then it's got a ton of room to fill that wick.
Mm-hmm. That's what I'm saying, and it's almost flipped. We're 80 pips from the flip.
Yeah. And
So
then it's like a 400 pip move.
Mm-hmm.
That would be amazing because there's half the month is left.
Yep.
Yeah.
Need something really positive in the pound's favor for that. Even though if it doesn't flip, but just by looking, it should at least go bullish.
Yeah,
That itself is a very nice move.
Yeah, I think it should at least get a top wick before it decides to not go up.
Yeah.
And I think even if it's not going to fill the wick, it should at least go like, I would say half or a quarter of the way.
Yeah, I really don't want to see shells here today. I want to create a support and then flip like we were talking about.
Yeah, I'm waiting for buys. I don't care if it falls 80 pips. I'm going to wait for a bullish candle.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying too.
Just now, CNN said new impeachment evidence is up.
You said what?
New impeachment evidence.
Ooh, uh-oh. I saw him on the news at the gym. He was shaking hands with this actor at like a soccer game, I think, or a football game. I can't remember his name.
This is good support here, though. If it holds this support, it should go back up and retest 43.40.
You spoke too soon, bro.
I said this is good support right here. If it holds this support, it should go back and retest 43.40.
Oh no, I heard you, but as you said it, it fell like 10 pips. I don't know if you were watching.
Right.
Yeah, as you were like, this is a good support. It was like boop, boop, boop.
Did it fall?
Yeah.
I'm not even looking at it.
Yeah, that's what That's what I was saying. Are we gonna hit 200 today? That would be cool. Ugh. Welcome, new people.
43.
All of you guys sending the charts. I'm not gonna be pulling up the charts until the 2nd, just so you guys know. Just with internet speed, it's too difficult right now. But as soon as the 2nd comes, we will be looking at charts and some other stuff while we wait. But what do you guys think for GJ? You thinking bullish or bearish? Fill that wick and then go up, I think. What wick you talking about, Sergio? What up, Mitch? Mitch, you can come and Zoom, bro. You're in Rakeel's group. What up, Juan? I'm great, actually, Juan. How are you?
I was expecting this 4 hour to tap this area here.
You thought we were gonna drop this low?
Yeah.
How come? From what time frame made you think that?
The 4 hour.
Okay. Don't get sassy, bro. I'm just asking a question because I didn't see it. Damn. Your reply like the 4 hour, dumbass. That's how it sounded.
I tell you that before 6.
Oh, okay. So to be fair, you said the wicks. So I have, on the daily, it's right at the top of those wicks. So I thought we were gonna stop at like 111. I didn't know you meant we're coming down to 995.
I believe the daily is going to go above that, yeah. But looking at the 4 hour, yeah, probably going to wick.
Yeah, wick down. I said I don't think it should wick past all those wicks. I mean, there's 4 4-hour wicks, so that's 16 hours of price holding that level. So I don't think we should break that unless there's some like news or something. Which there is news at the 50 and then 630.
See now, the one thing is like if you're visualizing the daily candles to flip bullish,
Mm-hmm.
you're trying to see where a support is formed, right? So if you flip to the 4-hour chart,
Yep.
you'll see where this candle is creating a wick at around 142,990.
Yep.
That's where the 4-hour candles closed yesterday after Asian Open, if you remember.
Yep. Yeah, after we had that push.
Yeah, so I think this zone between 143 and 142, 950, this whole zone,
Mm-hmm.
this is where price should be, creating support to continue moving up.
Okay, yeah. I just didn't think it would drop all the way to the body like that.
Yeah, well, it has to make wicks, right? Like rejection wicks.
Yeah. I was thinking the last 4-hour, that wick did that, though. That's what I was thinking.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because that one wicked down into 3 of them, and I guess it didn't touch the lowest one. But, I mean, I just didn't see that.
Oh, I see where that buy was taken now on the one.
Yeah, it looks clean.
Yeah. Makes sense. Yep.
Yeah, I should have been more aware of that. So, like here, I don't know if you heard what I was saying earlier, if you were here yet. So, you see the bearish one that came down on the hourly with that really deep wick?
Mm-hmm.
And then you see the bullish one I entered on, it has that little bottom wick that kind of goes halfway down.
Yeah.
I figured if we were going to fill that bearish wick, that was the wick that should have continued down.
Okay.
We shouldn't have still closed bullish and gone halfway. I felt like we should have filled it, but...
Yeah, also, it could be pretty early in the daily candle as well, because it just started.
Yeah, I think that's what it was. That's what Sakeem was saying, is the daily didn't have much of a bottom wick yet.
Yeah.
And the 4 hours still needed to fall a little bit. So...
Yeah, but the way you called it, yeah, I take those trades too. But yeah, the way that bearish 1 hour candle formed, that shit was just crazy.
Yeah. I should have looked at the daily and the 4 hour a little better. Yeah, it'll be printed off when we're done. Yeah, what's up, Mike? Crypto, it's going great. How are you? Wow, 166. Thank you. This is going to be good. We're going to get a really good session in here, too, so...
Yeah, this is the most we've ever had.
Everyone's going to make some money. Yeah, if we get to 200, that would be pretty cool. So, for the new people that are in here, if you like it at the end of the session, you make some money. You want to press subscribe and like. It's appreciated. The quality's not perfect yet, but if you look up in the top right, 1080p, we'll be starting on the 2nd. So just kind of bear with us on that. And if you are trading London session, on the bottom left-hand corner, Trade with Monty does the London. And then if you do New York, Rakeel, I'm sure most of you are here from him, he does the New York session. And then the other little thing is this top left corner up here. You should be able to read it, but once we hit 1,000 subs, if it's over 1,000, it doesn't matter. Just that's kind of the minimum I'd like to hit. And then if we hit a 500 viewer account, we're going to give away $100 to 5 different people through like Venmo, Cash App, PayPal. So if we do that by the 7th, that will be the like giveaway instructions will be posted, and then we'll wait about 2 weeks and then do the giveaway. So if you want to share it, if you like it, that would definitely help us get there for sure. mean, that 995 seems to be holding so far. Wow. Yeah, we're getting there. It's been a good day, and this is making it even better. So hopefully, a winning trade will just end it with a beautiful day. Oh my God, we got to do this every day in Zoom. One 143 was the turning point. Yeah, I'm thinking so. Rohan, did you send a chart, Rohan? Where is it? Yeah, Mike, I'm thinking we're either going to turn at 95 or 54. And then once we get that bullish candle, the race begins. What up, Kurt? Yes, I'm waiting for buys. That's what I'm waiting for. So, no matter how far down we go, I'm going to be waiting for a bullish candle. Yeah, so this should still be... So right now, this should be creating a higher low because I'm thinking... so if we start at the bottom, just kind of how I like to do it. We got our low right here, and then we make a high, and then a low. Now we got another high up here, and now we should get a low in here, and then head up to there. So, but if you look, this low, if we create that low and we flip here, we'll actually be creating that right on top of this high. So that could be really good confirmation to go up in my book.
I saw River and told him to come back down here.
Hey, mute your mic.
These are only Cobra.
Jesus. Rakeel, I don't know how you do that every single day with more people. So that's kind of the idea. We're going to get that higher low probably right on this resistance around here. And then we'll make support here on this resistance and then head to the upside.
Well, you're going to have that issue a lot more, man, once we hit like 1,000 viewers.
Oh yeah, I know. I was just talking about the Zoom. Everyone just joins and has their mic on, and like I'm not trying to hear just that kind of background noise. Like if you're talking and saying something productive, like the background noise is fine, but just mute your mic when you're done talking.
Yeah, no, I hear you.
That's all.
I think there's a way to make it such that when people log in, that they're automatically muted. So whenever I log into Rakeel's in the morning, I'm automatically muted. So that might be something to look into.
Yeah, I'm gonna look into that as soon as we're done. I like that idea. Yeah, how's it going, Mitch? I saw you got a workout in real early today.
Yeah, man, that's how we roll.
What'd you hit?
Today was arm day, switching it up a little bit.
You know, there are two scenarios that can play out here. Since price is coming down and making a low, you know, I mean, if a 30-minute or the 1 hour candle closes bullish, you will have that move up.
Mm-hmm.
But just by logically looking at it, it's creating a low. So that move up could be a retracement for a retest of the low it's creating.
To make I got you. I see that.
You know, and then maybe price might start to range till CPI, and the main move might happen with CPI. The pound CPI at London.
Gotcha. So we could do something like this, you're thinking? Kind of wherever we flip, head back up, and then form a resistance, and then come back down, maybe make a lower low, or just sit in the range there.
Yep.
Makes sense. We will see. I think either way, if we do flip bullish, we're going to get a nice 10-15 pip move up before we see any resistance.
Well, I caught 6 pips on the sell.
Rohan, if you send a chart in Telegram, I can pull it up.
Hey, Paul, what kind of computer do you use?
It's an Idea Center by Lenovo. It's pretty good. It has a AMD graphics card and it seems to work pretty well.
Yeah, because I gotta invest in the computer shortly. Because it'll just be easier. Because right now during the Zoom calls and like going through the platforms and trading view, it's just a lot easier to do on a computer rather than a phone. So
yeah, I feel you. Yeah, this is my first Lenovo. It's pretty good so far. I can't really tell how good the desktop actually is because it's satellite internet. So I can't tell if the computer's just not fast enough or if it's the internet that's lagging behind. But I do think it is the internet. So we'll find out soon.
yeah, well that'll be fixed soon once you move into your new place.
Yep. 2.5 weeks, 3 weeks.
Shit, you getting excited, bro?
Yeah, I ordered my desk today.
Oh yeah, I saw that. It was a nice desk.
Yeah, it was cheap too. It was only like $120 with tax.
That's not bad.
Yeah, a plain black like glass on was $150, but for I think it's like a white oak, it was $99. I was like, yeah. I just hope it doesn't take too long to set up and build.
Oh man, I bought a bed frame from IKEA about like 5 months ago. Still haven't put it together.
IKEA is the worst.
Dude, it is so confusing.
Yeah, so I won't do IKEA furniture anymore.
Was it bad?
I literally had 3 other people helping me. Like we put all of our heads together and try to figure it out, and we just couldn't.
Yeah, the one tool that they actually send, you end up losing, and then you're kind of screwed.
Yeah, it always seems like there's like one screw missing or something like that.
Yeah.
That happened to my roommate. His dad bought him a dresser, and it was missing like the most important screw that only came with one screw to put the whole dresser together.
Oh my god.
Yeah, crypto. If we continue bearish, I think that could definitely. It could go both ways right now. It's just going to depend on where we form a support and then how far we go till we get that resistance. Orgo, I don't know if I would trade GU right now. But if it looks good and that's the time you normally trade, then just do you. But I don't know how volatile it's going to be right now. Shit, 25 away. Look at that. That's pretty cool.
Man, I try to promote you a little bit, but like, I don't have any trader friends or anything like that, so it kind of doesn't reach too many people, I guess.
It's all good. I mean, we're growing really good without too much help. I mean, Rakil helped a lot the other day, and then, but I haven't really tagged anyone recently in anything. I just been kind of like, hey, we're live, kind of thing. So, but we're growing.
Consistency.
Yeah, we're going really steady.
Well, you didn't start streaming like until like too long ago. It was like a month ago or something like that, right?
We did some testing in December. I did it twice, and then we actually started last week Sunday for the first time.
Oh wow.
Yeah, so we're doing pretty well. It's a lot better than I expected.
Yeah, for a week, dude, that's not bad at all.
No, it's been blowing up way faster than I could have even imagined, so it's pretty cool. Surprisingly, a lot of people trade Asian, but I feel like nobody talks about it because it's kind of boring and you just do it by yourself. So I didn't expect this many people to trade Asian, but it makes sense. Like everyone, like with real jobs, is probably coming home from work or getting like their kids home or whatever it is, and this is when they can do it.
Yeah, Asian's usually the best time for me as well. I usually do Asian when I don't work in the evening, but when I work in the evening, I get off and I do London.
Okay. Yeah, I like Asian and London the best, and then if I don't get up for London, I'll do post New York at like 8:30 to 11. And then just so everyone knows that's in here, if you are in Rakil's group, the Zoom access is in the Slack group. So if you're not in that group or my group, YouTube will just have to do for now.
Yo, what are your thoughts on a 15-minute bullish flip right here when it close?
I don't know. I don't like how this 30 minutes forming right now, to be honest.
30 minutes, let me see.
It's going up.
No bottom wick, you're saying?
It's just going up really hard. That's going to be a big candle to enter on. Might have to go down to the 15 for an entry tonight. Someone just took some entries. See, what did the 15-minute do? Yeah, okay. So I'd like this. If this 15 comes down, makes a bottom wick, and then closes bullish, then I do like it. But right now, I'm not a fan just yet. But it did break the high of the previous 15, and that last bearish 15 didn't make a lower low. So that's also some good information. But I think if we run up really aggressively, it's going to retest, and then we'll want to wait for a bearish flip and then take it back down.
Paul, what are your support and resistance right now for the 30-minute, like the number?
For 30-minute, I have 142954, which we didn't come to yet. We might not come to. So if this 30-minute goes bullish, then I'll have support at 143037, and then my next resistance I think we could go to is gonna be 172.
Alright.
But it's pushing up really aggressively, so we'll see how it forms. But I mean, if it does end up pushing up and we don't get an entry, if it closes above 208, I think buys from there up to 143, 450 area are going to be a pretty good trade.
Yeah, that's the one I'm looking for right now. I'm just waiting for that because there's a lot of clean traffic in that area, not so much ranging to the left.
Yeah, I feel like it should blow through that ranging area because that bearish candle kind of washed out that, in my opinion. So if we go up that high, I think we should kind of just go through it like we would any other candle. But we'll see. I mean, if we flip bearish there, I'd like a sell back down to like 990, 995, 010 maybe. Raquel, you're on TikTok now? Yeah, and I'm open to talk about other pairs. I guess I can flip through some stuff today while we wait. We'll see how it goes. If it's taking too long to load up the charts, then we're not going to do that till February 2nd, but I will give it a shot today. So if you want a different pair pulled up, post it in the chat and we'll go through it. Potatoes gonna potate. Oh, this is GJ Casper. Raquel, if you talked, your mic's off.
Yeah, we know he does that a lot.
US 30? No, I'm not going to pull up US 30. That's the one pair I'm not going to pull up. So any pair but US 30. And no cryptos. But that is the only limitations. Gold. Okay, yeah, we can do gold. I never trade gold, but I'll tell you what I think. Alright. Alright, so let's see what's going on. Looks like it's pretty bullish. So, oh wow, that is incredibly bullish. Okay. So I think the monthly could find some support around 1525, 182 area. Kind of a long ways back, but we go to the daily. Okay, so or the weekly. So it looks like the weekly is kind of bouncing off of 103. Make that orange. And then if the weekly can flip, that's going to go up real nice. Let's check out the daily. Oh, you took the buys already? Little cheater. Okay, so the daily just broke the high of the previous on gold. So that's good. I would say probably get an entry on like a 147 support. Let's go 4 hour quick. 4 hour broke the high. Yeah, 4 hour should cruise up to like 773 area. Let's see what the 30 looks like. What time is it? 6:07. Okay, and then maybe take a GJ entry on the 15-minute close. So that was Raquel who took that entry. I mean, the boss can be whoever. That doesn't really faze me. If you guys take Raquel's entries or you take my entries, I mean, it doesn't hurt my feelings the slightest because I know when I take an entry, it's normally right as well. So I will be just fine. Yeah, I think if I'm on gold, if you get above 1550, 192, if you get a close above there, I think you're going to be good up to long term, probably 773. And then maybe close some profits at like, I don't know, I would say somewhere like 237. So if you get above there, you got about 20 pips, and then maybe go break even and secure, and then let it rock out to 773 is what I would say. But remember, I've only traded gold once, so I don't know how it moves. Yep. Confidence comes with time and your mentor constantly pushing you out of your comfort zone. $12 away, that's pretty impressive. So I believe Rakil's already in. He probably got in right around here. I'm going to wait for this 15-minute close and then try and get in on a wick down. But it's looking like this 15 is going to form some support and then head to the upside. So we got some 15-minute support at 037. This blue line you see is just a daily line. So that's just kind of the daily wicking down, and now we'll come back up. So that just gives me a idea of the overall higher time frames. That's a monster candle, jeez. Oh, we got news at 6:30 too.
Gonna be interesting.
Yeah, I might wait till after that news to enter.
If it goes up to 143.207, would you still wait for news? Like if it closes in that area, if a 30-minute closes above that?
Yeah, I never trade when during news, so. I mean, you guys can trade if you want to trade it and you're comfortable trading it. You can. I just don't. Is GJ? Yeah, solo. GJ is the only pair I actively trade. Yes. Yeah. So Rakil's probably at 10 pips and break even. Oh, never mind. You're only. I mean, 6 almost. We'll see. Yeah, I'm gonna wait till 6:30. So nothing for me yet. Probably get an entry around 7. AJ? Yeah, we can pull up AJ. I like AJ. It's a pretty good pair. I used to trade it and it was always really smooth. Damn, there's your 10, Rakil. Yeah, this will be the last chart. It's taken forever to pull up. AJ is looking exactly the same as GJ, to be honest. So I think once you get a night, this is a way better bullish close too, in my opinion. I think if you get a bullish close above this area, so 792, or even just a bullish close would make sense to me, then you're probably good up to, like 933 or 050 maybe is what I would target. Yeah, no, it's just taking forever. It takes way too long to load up a chart. And then to flip back to GJ. Yeah. You're in AJ sells. That's fine. I mean, it just depends what you see. Roham, I sent you the Zoom ID. I don't know why you can't join. Do you know Web Launcher Zoom? No, I don't know what Web Launcher Zoom is. Let me make sure I typed in the right number. I'm pretty sure I did. Yeah, I sent you the right number.
Yo, did Rakil already get off this, or is he still on?
He's in the chat. I think he probably already got 10 pips already.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was looking at that move there, but I just wanted to wait for 15 to close, and now this thing's of course rocketing.
Yeah.
Shit's hard to deal with, man.
Yeah, I'm just concerned about the area based upon the 1 hour. It just pulled back to that same area where you was thinking buys from.
Yeah. So I'm going to see how it reacts at 172. and then if we flip bearish there, then I'll take a sell back down to 995. If we close above 227, I'm gonna look for buys, but I'm not doing anything until after the news.
Yeah, you're waiting for that orange folder JPY at 7:30.
Yeah, because the one time, actually it happened 2 days in a row, I was in on a yellow folder, and it jumped the spread enough to stop me out.
I was gonna say, even if it's not a big impact, even like a yellow flag or especially an orange, I think the spread will jump.
Yeah, so I just, even if it doesn't,
like 10 minutes after, but still.
yeah, even if it doesn't impact the like movement of the candle, it'll still jump the spread, which could still tap you out.
Yeah.
Rakeel shooting TikTok. Yeah. I don't know. We're almost at 200. 14 away. Look at that. If you want to take a look, waiting for candle to close above. Close above where, Felipe? Philip? I'm not sure. Sorry. Oil inventory, yep. But yeah, I think GJ is going to be good. We got some nice candles, so we should, I think we're going to have plenty of volume, and normally when that happens, we'll normally get good volume till about 9 o'clock Central or 10 o'clock Eastern. So if you missed those sells because you got a good entry on it, and then you didn't catch those buys that broke above, I think you were going to get probably 2 to 3. We'll probably get 2 more opportunities to take good entries, so I would just be patient and wait for that news. 143, 180. Yep, so if we create a resistance at 143, 172, so below these, that resistance we had that we just broke, if we create bearish there, then I'm going to look for sells. But if we break above this level, 208, then I'm going to look for buys and take it up to here. And that's about a 23 pip range, so that'll be a really nice trade. And I do think we could actually have a runner target 143.509, because that's where we would end up on the weekly and the daily. And that would just be, that would be kind of filling that bearish daily wick. Yeah, 15-minute close bullish, Max. If you guys want to take if you like those entries and you want to take buys, that's up to you. I'm not doing anything yet. Like I said, we have news in 14 minutes, so I'm just going to hang out till that's over with. Look at 15, okay. Yeah, 15 doesn't have a top wick, so we could wick up, turn bearish, and then come back down. But just with that news, you don't know what's going to happen for sure. Phil's wick at 143.509. Yep, exactly. That's what I'm thinking. Yeah, crypto, I'm going to wait for the news. So once the news is over, then I'll kind of assess wherever price is at if it impacts it. Otherwise, we'll just be looking for the same thing. Either form a resistance and come back down, or break that 208 level and take a buy to the upside, which I think has a better chance of happening. But we got some really good candles, so I think we'll have some good moves, kind of like we did yesterday. So anyone, like when you miss those, if anyone missed those buys yesterday, sells down were actually really good, and then buys back up were also really good again. What up, Monkey? What up, Spartan? Yeah, I've just never had good experience with news, so yep, we got plenty of time. We just had market open 18 minutes ago, so I think we'll be straight. Oh, nice job, Mitch. Stream audio is very quiet. I haven't heard that in 7 days of streaming, so maybe check your volume. Yeah, it could just be your volume. I would just check that out. Yep, exactly, black box. Price will shoot up directly in my direction with no wick near my stop loss, and I'll still be stopped out. So there was, when I just started trading, I traded news one time and I made like 900 in like a minute on a news trade. So I was like, oh, I'm only going to trade news. And then the next time, before the news even hit, the spread jumped, and it was about 30 seconds before the news hit and the candle closed, and it stopped me out $400 in within a second. So,
oof, that's rough.
Yeah, that's when I stopped trading news. And then the news ended up going in my direction exactly to like a 70 pip take profit. That would have made like $2,800. So it's not worth it in my opinion unless you have been trading a very long time.
I feel like that is more like gambling than anything.
Yeah, I think it's gambling unless you have enough experience. And I think at least like 2 to 3 years of watching the exact same thing happen would make sense enough to trade it. I got you. But yeah, the only sound that should be quiet is going to be the people on Zoom, and that's just because their sound is being played through a laptop next to the mic. So, just real quick again to the new people, we do have a giveaway going on. All you got to do is help us reach that goal by this date, and like 5 people get $100. So, the more you guys help us promote it, the better chance we will have. And if you tag me on Instagram, it's up here on the top right. Then I'll just repost it, follow you back, whatever it is. Yeah, Koei, that's just coming. That's because the Zoom is on a laptop that's using wireless hotspot internet, and then the stream and the chart is on my desktop and monitors on the internet connection from home. So their sound is just playing through the computer into the mic. So 7 minutes to the news, and then hopefully get some trades. Nice job, Omer. There you go. Yeah, if you guys caught it on that when it broke that 15-minute high, that'd have been really good. I wasn't paying enough attention, to be honest. I think I was on my phone. And then I just saw it rocketing up, and it was too big for me to want to take an entry.
Howdy, fellas. So what's the scoop on this news?
We're just waiting for the news to go, and then we're going to assess what's going on.
What's up, Dallas? Is there any opinion on, hey, what's going on? Is there any opinion on this news for JPY? Is it going to be bad?
No idea, to be honest. I just know there's news, and I'm going to wait till it's over. Gotcha. So, But what I'm thinking is, if news doesn't kind of trigger anything, if we get a bearish candle below 172, I'm going to sell it down. If we get a bullish close above 208 on the 30 minute, I'm going to take a buy up to like 450 area.
Love it.
Yep. Yeah, we're still 11 away. I think we can hit 200 tonight. Healthy Life. The only people who get Zoom access are people in my private mentorship group or Rakil's. So if you're not in either of those, you got to either join mine or his to get into the Asian session Zoom call.
Hey.
Oh, Rohan, you got in?
Hey, what's up?
What up? There's no red folder, it's orange folder. So, like I said earlier, I've been in, it was like, I think it was 2 weeks ago, I was in I was in a trade on GJ and there was a yellow folder, so it shouldn't have had much impact, and it stopped me out when it was like 5 pips in profit, just because the spread jumped. So, I just don't want that to happen again. It could do nothing with the spread, but we're not going to know till it happens. So I'm just going to wait. I do think we are going to have a buy, Hussam, to be honest. But we need some more confirmation on that.
Yeah, the only thing I'm not liking is for a buy, the 30-minute, if you were to play stops below 30-minute, they'd have to be massive. It's going to have to be below the 15-minute.
Yeah, but I'm thinking we're not going to get in on this 30-minute because of the news. So we'd get in on the next 30-minute close or 15-minute close is kind of what I'm thinking.
Yeah, that's true. And then we'll be able to play some below all that, hopefully all that resistance there.
Yep. That's what I'm thinking. I do think we're going up. Yeah, Hassan, I'll just make sure your stop loss is in a smart spot and you're not over risking. Well, that's a pretty big candle, so you probably got like a 15, 12 pip stop, which isn't bad, but with this news, it could just, you never know what could happen. Yep, yeah, sorry, Healthy Life. I mean, if you're in one of them, I know you're not in mine, but if you're in his, then it's in the Slack group. So just click it and join up. If not, my Instagram's on the top right, or Rakil's Instagram. Just join one of the groups. Four minutes, 3 minutes. Oh yeah, it's a speech. That's right. Okay. Yeah, that's right. Kuroda's speech. So yeah, it could do nothing. I've seen speeches that literally don't impact it for hours. So, but just in case, I just don't want to be in there when the spread jumps. And then I got about 20 messages today. We're still doing Asian session every Sunday through Thursday. We're just starting at 5:30. And if you see me post up my trades in the morning and saying done for the day, that means I'm done trading the morning session. I'm not done trading. So, a couple people messaged me this morning. They're like, oh, you're done? We're not doing Asian. Nope, that was just the London, New York session. Diego, I just switched to LMFX. And so far, I like what I'm getting. Is someone sharing their screen? Yeah, Rohan, you can share your screen. Go ahead. I don't even think. Oh yeah, I could have did that on my I could have just pulled up my what's it called? I could have pulled up the YouTube on here and just shared my screen, but that's even easier. Because if I would have did that, then the Zoom would have lagged really bad. So that's actually good that you did. Yeah, the quality doesn't look terrible. You can read the numbers on the side, so... Ooh, that sucks, Lazar. You were in cells. Yep. Yep. I'm going to drop down to the 15 minute and then probably if we get a 15-minute close above here at 226, then I'm going to take that 15-minute candle. But if a 30-minute closes above 208, I'm going to take that candle. So it just depends on how much volume we're getting. Which looks like we're going to break through this area. And that was just making a lower low, so now we're going to get a lower high. I'm from neither of those places, Solo. I'm from Wisconsin. So if you guys liked it so far, be sure to press the like or dislike button, depending on your opinion on what we're doing. It helps regardless. So if you like it, press like. If you don't, press dislike, but then leave a comment on why you don't dislike it so we can make it better.
Alright, here we go.
These live streams disgust me.
Well, you can get the fuck out of Zoom then. I'm just kidding.
God damn. I'll take it back. I'll take it back. Don't kick me out.
So as we can see, that was some super, super aggressive news impact. So we almost moved a fifth of a pip, so hopefully everyone's...
Bro, we skyrocketed 500 pips.
Yeah, hopefully everyone's trades are okay. Thank you, Hassan. You just closed. Nice job, Brakeel. You didn't wait for a candle close, though, so you didn't follow your plan. You cheated. Alright, so let's see what happens on this 15-minute. I think if we go back bearish and we break this low, we're going to head down. If we close bullish above here, we're going to the upside. Either way, it's going to be a nice move. So.
Yeah, the 1 hour respected the bearish 1 hour before.
Yeah.
Make a higher high.
Yeah. So. Don't think the news kicked in yet. Yeah. We'll see. I'm gonna go grab some food though. I will be right back.
Damn, I need to order some food.
All right. Well, y'all have a good night. Good luck trading tonight.
All right. See you, man.
Yeah, we could pull above here. We'd be good.
Yeah, I mean, I like buy more right now. But then at the same time, if we get popped back down, like what we were talking about, because even if you look at like the 4 hour, I mean, we're still bearish. So technically, we could come down to that back down to like the 142, 400 mark.
Yeah, well, like Paul said, I mean, what I'm looking for, the daily looks like it just made a wick down, and it's going to now go bullish and fill up to 143, 400. So that's why I think it's going to go up, but you never know with GJ, dude.
Yeah, I agree with you. That was a trade that Paul and I took a little while ago. We took a small loss on it, but I don't know. It's got to break that one. It's got to break this resistance that we're kind of at here.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is wow.
Yeah, I think this big week down could be because of that news.
Yeah, that's what I think too.
It's just kind of throwing off a lot of these possible entries, though. I feel like we really need to make sure it's a strong break before we take anything, just because of these wicks and breaking the 15s here and there.
Yeah, exactly. But yeah, I agree with. I think we all agree that if it breaks above 143, 207, and closes there in like a 30-minute, we're probably going to go up. But yeah, this wick down now is making me a little nervous. But
the problem is we got to go to a 15 to find an entry, because I feel like if we're going to go up to that 208, in my opinion, what I've seen the last couple of Asian sessions, it is going to flow past that, and there's going to be hardly any area for entry unless you're on the 5-minute or the 15-minute. You know, the 30 minutes going to close. The 30 minutes going to close like, I don't know, 15 pips above where that zone is. So that's what makes it tough. Then you're already halfway to take profit. You know.
yeah.
That's what sucks about the stop losses too, is because if you're, I mean, you don't want to over risk it if your stop loss is too large, but at the same time, if you're not using the largest stop loss, you're going to miss the move.
Yeah.
Please come back up higher, please.
I want to see it wicked at my level right now on the 30 minutes at 0.89. But if it closed below that, I'm gonna just get out.
It's kind of all over the place, isn't it, in terms of the direction? Daily is bullish, 4 is bearish, 1 is bearish, 30 bullish, 15 bullish.
The daily's bullish?
Daily is bullish, yeah.
Okay. Dirty J, I have a 30-minute zone, so I know where the 30-minute level is, and then a 15, so I can see where the 15 is if we close above there. That's all. Yes, sir, Jimmy.
It's just a waiting game right now. You get paid to wait.
Yep. We'll get a move, guys. Don't worry. Don't be impatient. Yeah, it definitely could be Raquel.
Yeah, I was just gonna ask too, like, if this 15-minute closes bearish, would you assume that now resistance is formed on the 30?
Yeah.
Because that's like how I'm kind of seeing it right now. If this closes bearish.
You're going to take sells then? I mean, yeah, it did respect the high of the hourly, so it could definitely continue down. How many pips is that? So 6 pip stop again.
Because I would have felt like the last 30-minute candle, that seemed like the candle to break the high and close above. And it didn't.
I agree.
That was a lot of movement.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah, it covered the whole range in one candle.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. If this was, because this one shot up so hard, I felt like if it was going to go bullish, it would have made a little bullish candle and then took off.
You will wait till 8 o'clock?
What's up?
You're going to wait till the hour close?
No, I'm going to wait for this 15 to close. I didn't enter yet. I just marked it up. Are you taking this one, Sakeem, or the next one?
Yeah, I want to see how this one closes.
We appreciate you hanging out with us, Black Box. We got a good close. I'm gonna take it.
I like sells, but I want it to come back up just a little bit. Have a smaller stop loss.
Yep.
Where look at the 1 hour high just kind of wicked. Yeah, I like the sell. But let's see. Maybe that news just made the candles go all crazy.
Yeah, that could be. And say I got in it, so.
What price?
122.
Nice. Damn, that's tight. Wow, that is a really tight spread for you on LMFX.
Yep, 1 pip. You'll buy if we sell. Yep, I took it pips. I got in at 122.
On Twitter, it says France, Britain, and Germany has confirmed they have triggered an Iran nuclear deal this week.
Jesus.
I think about that.
Huh. I don't know. I think we could get a runner to go to 717, to be honest. If we break this 995. Hopefully this hourly can flip and then next candle will fall. Yeah, I think the setup looks okay. Was not the plan I had in mind, but as long as we break that 15-minute low, I think we'll be good. Yeah, stop loss is above the candle. So I think if this 5-minute can break the low of that previous 5-minute, we might be good. We got clean candles going down if we can break that low.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Stream on the radio. Can you even do that? 5 minutes looks like I'm gonna break the previous 5-minute high. That's not cool. I took a sell simply, so you guys can do whatever you're comfortable with. Is what I would recommend. Come on, break those 5 minutes. Oh, there's one, there's two. Okay.
Here you go. Oh, damn. Okay, come on, baby. Come on.
I think the 4 hour is going to break that 995.
Yeah. I like just like that previous 4 hour rejected as well. So you could say 4 hour resistance is at 400.
Yeah, this 30-minute night might not get all the way down, but if it does, I think it's just going to fall.
Hey Paul, what's the next target you have under like if we break 142.998? Probably going down to the bottom wicks around like 142.800.
Yep. Yeah, I was thinking 4 hours 717, but now that I look at the 30-minute,
Yeah,
I think
that's what I was thinking too.
800 would be ideal. Because if it comes all the way back down, I think it should break that low. If it doesn't break the low, like Rakil said, it's gonna range. So
yeah, even if it gets to the bottom wicks, which I'm hoping it's going to right now, that's still an 11 pip trade.
Yep, it'd be 12 for me.
Yeah, I got in I think a pip later than you did.
Paul, did you get in when it formed resistance on that 15-minute candle? The previous?
Yeah, I got in at 122.
Okay.
So I'm up like 2.5, 3 pips right now.
Yeah, I got in at 111.
Yeah, those hourly flips, it's going to 795. Maybe even 954. Because the hourly still has no bottom wick. And that 5-minute pulled all the way back up. Jesus. Careful on GJ 14300. Good support. Yep. Yeah, I'm gonna be closing and going break even once we get to that target if we get there. I might just close everything there.
I'm looking at the 1 hour. You know that that zone you drew earlier?
Which one?
On the 1 hour, where it was formed.
You cut out. What up, blockchain?
Remember that you had it as support.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so the previous 1 hour closed bullish. So I'm thinking that this 1 hour is just a retest on that area. So if I see that this 1 hour closed below, I'm gonna hold my shorts.
You're gonna hold yours then?
Yeah, I'm gonna hold the short if it closes below. But if it closes back above, then it probably stay in.
5 minute just broke the previous low.
Hell yeah.
Here we go.
I will say this was not all me. Rakeel did mention it could retest the low, and I wasn't paying attention to that, so I will not take. I will take 50% credit.
Yeah, who overlaid it?
Bad risk management.
Mm.
No, that was mine. It made that noise, but I'm still in it. It just makes that noise sometimes.
Yeah, it just makes that noise when I try to
That's scary.
bet my whole account.
I know, it is really scary, but like I'm literally still in it. I don't know why it does that.
Once the hourly flips, it should fall. I'm thinking 949. Yeah, right here. Come on, 1 hour flip, 4 minutes. Let's get it. Come on, baby. That's so shitty. I'm only at 6 pips right now.
I'm on 4.
Yeah, looking at the 1 hour, this thing should just die.
Mm-hmm. Could go fill that wick at 470 on the hourly, but I ain't gonna hold it through 2 resistance levels. And 5 minute made a lower low. So hopefully this thing will flip soon. Nice, Felipe. Yeah, I'm sorry. If me chewing was annoying, I apologize. I'm a loud chewer. I mouth breathe while I eat, so I'd mute the mic, but then it'd be really quiet. I feel like that would be worse. Debatable. Okay, fair enough. I'm done speaking the rest of the night. Damn it. Come on, hourly. Quit playing games.
Hey, Paul.
Yo.
Can I play the contrarian just for a second? Because you know I like to play the contrarian.
I don't know what that means, but sure.
It's the opposite side, just a contrarian. Usually just thinking opposite of what everyone else. Where was it when we opened this session, when you started? Where was the GJ?
203.
So we've, in an hour and a half, right? In an hour and a half, we've gone 15 pips. It's ranged between 15 pips.
I mean, I wouldn't say it's range, but it's moved 15 pips, yeah.
Right. So, wouldn't that suggest that it hasn't decided what it wants to do yet?
Well, 15 pips is over my target, so for me, no.
No. Okay.
No. But yeah,
I'm listening to this.
long term, yes.
I know people are like,
long term,
not sure what we thought
absolutely.
it was gonna be. It's gone like 15 pips. So I'm just wondering, like, well, but your goal is
10.
7 or 8, right?
10.
Oh,
Yep.
10. Okay.
Yep. Yeah, my TP on the chart is actually at 15, but that's
Gotcha.
because my reasonable target is where I think we should fall nicely to, is there. So then I'll get out there.
Yeah, I gotcha.
Yeah. But no, I wouldn't say it's ranged yet. It could definitely turn into a range. Hoping it doesn't.
Well, how? I guess my question is, how is it not a range if it's only gone up 15 and back 15? I mean, it's gone from 143.05 to 143.20, and it's stayed in that range for the last hour, hasn't it? For hour and a half.
If this hourly flips, I think it'll be leaving the range. It just looks like to me, I just see an hourly break and a retest. So, but we'll see. We gotta break. We gotta break this hourly low to get out of there. So.
Right,
Yeah.
but what I'm saying is, in an hour and a half that you've been streaming, it's literally just gone between 43.20 and 43.05, right in that area.
Yep.
Is that correct? Or, I'm not looking at the chart. But,
Yep.
so that would be ranging in the last hour and a half. It's been ranging between those two levels.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So a clean break above or a clean break below, like you're saying, hopefully a break below. But for me, I don't see any trading until it does one or the other.
Mm-hmm.
And maybe 42.85 is, someone said 42.85, which looked really good. That might be the next, support level it goes down to if it breaks this.
Yep. Yeah, I think we could. If we break it, we're gonna go to 142.949. But the hourly closed bullish now.
Yeah, I did not like that 5 minute. Holy cow.
Mm-mm. But that 5 minute dip.
See, I'm on my charts when I'm so where's it at now?
It pulled up a couple pips. But the 5 minute dipped really low, and I feel like it should go push that. But 30 minutes bearish.
15's not breaking the previous 15.
It did?
Well, I mean, on TradingView it did, yeah.
Oh, okay. MT4 didn't do it yet. Hopefully it doesn't. I say it's just hourly close. Gonna have some pullback. So, I mean,
Yeah, that's what I saw.
If you want to get out.
Hourly closed under. The last one was a pullback.
Yeah. So the hourly close was not nice, but.
Damn. Yeah, that's just what's making me nervous now. Is this hourly is like you've got that big bullish one down, then we had an hourly bullish, or we had the big one bearish down, then we had an hourly bullish, and now we've got the second one higher high. If this comes up, then.
Yeah, if it comes up, that's gonna suck. But the 4 hours should still be. Yeah, 4 hours still bearish, but that hourly was bullish, which I don't like. Daily is trying to go back bullish. Let's see, 1 hour. Yeah. I don't know. I feel like that 1 hour is looking. It doesn't have a bottom wick. I'm thinking it's gotta go down and see what's going on down there. 5 minutes just fucking flying. My 30 minute has a bottom wick. I mean, that one has one too. It was cruising so good. Yeah, if you don't like how it's moving, you can definitely get out. But I still think we should see some more downside. It's like the hourly did like a break and a retest and then closed below. So we'll see what happens. Could definitely be wrong and it just goes up. $15 just broke the high. Yeah, I see that. You gotta remember though, we did have an hourly close, so that could give us some funky looking wicks on the smaller time frames. Because if we're looking at the 5-minute, it definitely broke a lot of those highs. But what's important is going to be the 30-minute and the hourly, in my opinion. And I feel like if we were going to go up, that hourly should have closed higher. So we'll see. We'll see what happens.
Yeah, I'm focusing on the high. Yeah, the hour's showing like good price action.
So you could say that this was a fake out to the upside. We closed back below this area and this wick, and now this is just wicking up, and now we'll continue back down. So that's my analysis. That's what I'm going to stick to. So if you guys want to get out, there's nothing wrong with that. But the hourly closing bullish is definitely making this seem a little bit riskier. But I'm going to stick to my bias. So it's 30 minutes bearish, so we will see. It's either going to fill it and push higher, or it's going to kind of do what it's doing now and then come back down and finish and kind of flip bearish like it almost did. Excuse me. Are you guys all still holding it?
Yeah, I'm still in.
Yeah, I'm still.
Yep. So
My stop loss is at 143.230 above all that nonsense.
okay.
Yeah, that's where I had mine as well.
Yeah, I don't think we should even get that high. Because with all this
Pretty close.
yeah, with this consolidation here, we closed back in, we closed back out. Now we should kind of retest maybe this wick or this level and then come back down, would be my thought process. Because it doesn't make sense for price to go up, come down, and then to go back and break back up.
Yeah.
Well, price actually came down, came up, and then came back down again. So for it to go back up again, that just doesn't make too much sense to me, because this bullish candle should have had enough strength to push us through this resistance. Would be my
30 minutes. As long as we can get a flip on it.
Yeah. Be nice if the 15-minute could pull back as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll see. I said I don't like the hourly close, but it did close kind of weak. Thank you for the subs. Said if you guys did end up closing some profits here, and you press subscribe and like, that's greatly appreciated. Yeah, I think so too, Rakeel. Yep, so now everyone's going to be on board with it working. No. I mean, everyone can have different opinions. Everyone trades different, so. Just like if I say, hey, I'm taking a sell, that doesn't mean you should take a sell. Same thing as if you're like, oh no, these sells aren't going to work, you need to close it. I'm probably not going to listen, so. Unless it hits my stop, then it'll definitely close my trade. But we will see.
There we go. I'm liking this.
Thank you, Marquise. Appreciate it. Appreciate the backup, Rakeel. They had me backed in a corner. Quiet, Dallas. You don't even want to be here. I'm just kidding.
Did your on MT4, Paul? Did your 15-minute break the wake of the previous 15-minute or no?
Yeah, it did. Excuse me.
Yeah, mine did as well, but 30-minute is pretty much right at that same candle. Trading view is actually slightly below as well.
Yeah, MT4 is a little bit above, but like I said, I think when you get an hourly close, you gotta kind of plan for a 5-minute and a 15-minute wick high to get broken. So as long as we don't go up and break that hourly wick it made high, I think we should be safe. We just got to see some bearish activity. There you go, Dirty. Nice job. Apple, trade differently. Yeah.
Yeah, I think if we break this 15-minute here, I think I might just get out of the trade, because then it gives me confirmation that it's going to come back all the way up.
If we break the 15?
Yeah, if we break the previous 15 and we close above that, I mean, I think it's going to come back up to that resistance, like 143, 230 area.
Yeah, that makes sense.
You know what I'm saying? Instead of taking a 10-pip stop loss.
No, Jimmy, I didn't hit any TP yet. Hoping to. What the 5 minutes doing? 5 minute kind of created some resistance, so maybe that will be the top of the wick and we'll start to head down. Hopefully this 5 minute will flip and run down and turn this candle bearish and not form a support. Yeah, I mean, everyone's got different views on what they like and don't like. Come on, 5 minute, flip it. Push it down. So the 5 minute kind of made a higher high and a lower low, so this close is going to be determining what the 15 minutes going to do, I think. We got 30 seconds. So hopefully it'll close bearish and then respect that resistance previously and continue down and flip the 30 in the 1 hour. How'd that 15 close? We'll see. If the 5 minute can break some lows, I think we'll be okay. 5 minute kind of had a weak close, made a lower low, but it also made a higher high. So hopefully it's respecting resistance and not forming support. But we will see. There is a lot of wicks up there. Here, let me pull it up and kind of show you what I'm thinking. Oh, that actually closed indecision. So if you look, we got back up to this resistance previously on the 5 minute. This was the hourly open right here, and then we kind of flipped bearish, and then it looks like that indecision candle made a lower low and a lower high. My MT4 is different, but I think if we can break this low, we're gonna come down to there. But we do have 1, 2, 3, 4 wicks up here, so I'm thinking this could be where the wick stops and we start to head to the downside. See what happens. Like I said, if that 5 minute can break the low, I think our trade is gonna have some more confirmation to continue down. But it's Asian, so you just gotta be patient. Candle flip strat, yeah, if you just look on the videos, it's in there. Come on, 5 minute break the low, let's go. Because then the way I see it is if the smaller time frames are making lower lows, then our higher time frames should start to make lower lows as well. And I feel like that's just normal market structure knowledge, you could say. We should, if the 1 minute and the 5 minute and the 15 are making lower lows, then your hourly, daily, and 4 hour should be doing the same. Yeah, Jimmy, it's pretty good. I think it works good for me. Yeah, this 5 minutes really gotta go. Oh, come on. Oh, you little shit. I just want the 5 minutes to break that previous low. That's all. Roham, you think it's gonna fly up? Oh yeah, that's right. You think it's buys. Yeah, I'm honestly not convinced either way just yet. are 12 away from 900 subs. That's insane. That's so awesome. Yep, yeah. Like Siren said, the video explains where it works, where it doesn't. Asian session, I still need to do more testing on it. But if Asian session has really good volume, it should work pretty well. That's the only thing. It only works best with high volatile pairs and like New York and London session. Come on, 5 minute. What are you doing? Nope, no GP, no G-Odd. Just GJ. That's it. Damn, this thing was moving so well. Yeah, no top wick on there. Who knows? The buyers could be running out of gas. Mike, you closed out, right?
No, bro, I'm still in it.
Okay. Tokyo opened 20 minutes ago. Okay. Yeah, Jimmy, it works. It works pretty well. I've been doing it live since like middle of December, end of December, and it's been pretty profitable since then. So, I don't really use it that much in Asian session, just because it's not aggressive enough. That's all.
Damn, bro. Come on, GJ. Do something for us.
Yeah, like go down. Don't break the previous 15-minute high.
It's not making me happy. I like last week a lot better.
Yeah. It's looking like I could go test that high.
Yeah, I don't know if I should close here, if I should just wait it out. Already took a decent loss a little bit ago.
Yeah.
I think if it breaks above this, then I might get out.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. If it breaks that 15-minute high.
You gonna get out if it breaks that?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do too.
Which 15-minute?
The past two previous.
143, 151.
Oh, 143. I got it.
Candle flip theory. Yeah, I mean, if you mark up zones, it's kind of just, you could just say support and resistance too, but the way I kind of visualized it was just no zones in one time frame, and that's all. Man, this thing was falling so nice. Yep, I'm out. Did it actually break it? Wait.
It just barely broke it on the MetaTrader.
Yeah, my MT4 is like the same height. I want to see how this 5-minute closes. Unless it starts to rocket, then I'll just get out. It's looking like it's trying to hold on that daily level. Yep, yeah, only the 30-minute Dirty J. Nix, you're gonna hold it? Okay. I'll see you. Yeah, I just don't know. I don't know if I believe how strong that little 5-minute level is. Granted, it's held for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and possibly 7 candles if this goes below. So.
We got 10 seconds here, so this will tell a lot right here.
Yeah, hopefully it rockets to the downside.
I wish this would just flip and then the next one would open down, but we'll see.
Yeah. I just hope it doesn't start ranging.
Stay under 170.
There we go.
Yeah, I'm just hoping it doesn't start ranging.
Yeah.
Alright, so the 15-minute finally flipped. We gotta break some lows, though. We can't keep not making or making higher lows. It's gonna go down. The viewers are sure it's going down. Yeah, I mean, I still believe it's going down. I just don't wanna gamble it and try to keep my risk small. So if I can take like a 1 pip, 2 pip loss here, maybe wait an hour, and if it's not ranging, get a better entry. But Asian's been tough this week. So we lost Sunday, and I think we won Monday. And then today's Tuesday, right? Yeah, so today's Tuesday, okay. So this will be the 30-minute close after this 5-minute candle, so these three are so this will be a 15 and a 30-minute close, so that's going to be pretty big tell. Yeah, Monkey, I think the probability to the downside is better too. At least short term right now. We just need to get some bearish activity coming in. You lost a lot today? Come on, Gabriel. You gotta manage your risk, bro. Oh, are we gonna break these lows? Looks like it almost broke that one. Oh, it did. It broke the first previous, but we gotta break this indecision one. Yeah, Dallas, I just saw your chart too. I think it was a retest as well.
Yeah, I could be wrong though.
Yeah.
I'm kind of doubting myself right now, but I'm still in it.
Yeah, I'm a little uneasy, but I still think our idea should be, it doesn't make sense for us to turn around right here when there's nothing until we get down here. Like I said, unless it's going to start ranging, like Rakil said, but I feel like we got to come down here and then not break, and then we start to range.
Yeah.
Unless we're making a higher low to continue up, which would make sense on the daily, but we'll see.
I mean, 15-minute looks good. It looks in our favor with those wicks, but now we've got to look at the higher times, like 30 and 1 hour. I don't like either of them, to be honest.
Yeah, 2 minutes and we'll see. Yeah, it just shot up back bullish again.
Fuck, dude.
Yeah, true. Yeah, losing is definitely the best experience you can get. So, I mean, this 5-minute level seems to be holding, but I don't know if it's holding up or down. Yeah. I don't think buys would be a bad idea. I'm not going to take it, but let's be positive for a win. You're right, Jimmy. You're right. We got some negative attitudes in here.
Dude, we got this.
Everyone full margin sell. Maybe we can turn this into a win. Everyone drop some 10 lots. I just want to see some lower lows. That's all I want to see. And then a bearish candle would be really cool too. Come on, GJ. Do it for the stream. I mean, it's been struggling to go up for 30 minutes, so...
Yeah, that's why I'm still in it.
This could be the turning point.
Oh.
Wow. Okay, GJ.
I mean, the hourly candle's been stuck at this level since it opened, basically.
Come on, man, just go.
So let's see what happens. If we get a lower low on this 15 or even these 5 minutes, that would be really good. Yeah. 4 hours bullish now. It wasn't when we entered. I realized that. But just because the 4 hour that's currently moving, yeah, looking like it's trying to hold that level it wicked into, but we'll see. We get a really nice move right around this time, so it's either going to be up or down. 4 hours trying to go flip back bullish.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna close out right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, if this doesn't, if this passes these 2 wicks, then yeah, on the 5 minute. Everything just seems to be bullish right now.
Mhm.
I'd rather just close here than take a 10 pip loss.
Yeah, I know the daily was flipping bullish. It might be bullish. Let me check. Yeah, so the daily hasn't really flipped yet. But I mean, everything when we entered, everything was bearish. So now, just a matter of is it a pullback on the hourly open, or are we turning around?
Still hasn't broke these highs on the 5 minute.
Yeah, I see that. But it looks to be just inching up.
Yeah, it just keeps inching and inching and inching. It's kind of like making steps going up.
Mhm. Yeah, man, that drop was so. That was such a good drop.
Steps until it hits their resistance. It'll be a sell.
Yep, there it goes.
All right.
Yeah, I got out of it.
Oh fuck. Yeah, me too. Fucking
Alright,
bitch, that
boys,
thing
I'm
was
popping
falling
off today.
so
I'm
nice.
not taking another trade today. Fuck.
Alright, bro. See you later.
See ya.
Alright, we'll see you guys.
Damn, that thing fell so nice.
Later, bro.
Yep, look at that ugly fucking barcode.
For me, if it closes above 170, then get out.
Yeah, because it's coming back up to
But
this
Yeah, I
resistance.
just need a 30-minute retest on 170.
It missed my take profit by 8 pippets.
Yeah, it missed me by 6.
Jeez.
I mean, that thing,
Brutal.
it fell so hard I thought we were going to keep going.
Yeah.
Especially to turn a 4 hour candle that quick after it just turned. Like, That doesn't make any sense. We'll leave that 30-minute level and see how it reacts there. I don't know if I'm going to take another one, but I don't like any of this. So ideally, if we can get a break above here, that would be really nice. Time is it? 7:30? Yeah, we'll hang out a little bit more. Normally we get a move around 8, so we'll see how this 4 hour closes and then we'll have a better idea. Man, fucking Asian this week. Unbelievable. Yep, no problem, Cameron. I mean, it could definitely still go down, but I don't want to. I'm not going to hold another one.
Oh my god.
Oh shit, look at that.
I think it's at 170, but I'm expecting it to tap 170.
Yep, I closed, Jimmy. Terrible timing, possibly. Yeah, you guys can definitely ride it out. I just didn't want to. I didn't feel comfortable staying in a sell when everything was looking bullish. Especially when my bias long term is buys. So, man. Really hoping Asian was gonna pay good today. Fuck. Dallas, did you stay in it?
Yeah, I'm still in it, but I'm thinking about closing.
Yeah, that makes sense, Mike. It just dropped so hard. I feel like it should have continued down a little bit more, especially after the 4 hour went bearish to go back bullish to then come back to bearish. It didn't make sense for it to go back bullish again. But same thing, we close above 208. I'm gonna take a buy. And if we get that, that will be the last one, win or lose.
Alright, I am out.
Yeah, Monkey, that was perfect. I would have put it break even, but I was only up 4 or 5 pips. So, I figured we were going to get some retracement. Did you get out, Sakeem?
No, yeah, I must stop above the previous 1 hour.
Okay, I got you. Yeah, Jimmy was real positive through all that bullish movement. I like it. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know, funny. We got to see how it plays out. Yeah, I got some charts to print off after this. So I think for the session, I'm down 10 pips total. First trade was -5 or -6, and then this one was -4. So.
Yeah, the session sucked.
It was looking good. You were holding buys the whole time. Yeah, my bias is still buys up to the top, but when we broke down 2 separate times, I was thinking sells would have been a good opportunity. Just didn't play out. Oh yeah, thank you, Mitch. I'd have it. I forgot that there's a Zoom chat too. Yeah, Jesus. People should know that. So people in Zoom, there's no chart on Zoom just yet. Not till the 2nd. Mr. Dallas, what do you got for us? -6, yep. Yep, looking like it held that daily level. So this could have just been a fake out to the downside, and now it'll head up. That would make sense. Yeah. Dallas, are you still here?
I am, yeah.
Oh, okay. I thought you got off. I think we are going to get another opportunity.
I meant like I was out, like that trade stopped me out.
Okay, yeah, I do think we are going to get another opportunity. It's only 7:30. I think 8:30 we're going to get we'll get a good entry. If we don't have something by 8:30, then I don't think that there's going to be anything. But we will see. Yep, so and I got some printing out to do after as well. But we hit 196 viewers. That was pretty cool. Maybe tomorrow we'll hit the 200.
I just want to see a rejection from here, where your purple line is.
Definitely could get it. Did you get a Bears 15 yet? In 1 minute you might. But daily has flipped bullish just about, so looking like the daily's finally done its retest, and we should head to the upside. Okay, hopefully it heads down then, Hassan, for you guys' sake. Hopefully it'll head down, hit your TPs, and then come back up, and we'll take buys.
Man, that would be too easy, huh?
Yeah. See how the 4 hours closing. Yeah, the 4 hour close is bullish. We are gonna go to the upside. That would be a miracle. So yeah, we'll hang out for about another 15-30 minutes, and then I think we'll have an entry. I think that would be pretty good. As long as we get above this level right here. But if the 4 hour makes a weak close, then it made a lower low and a lower high, so... Yep, exactly, Jimmy. I think we lost Sunday and then today. So we went 5 for 5. So we are 6 for 8 since we started. $11 from 900, that's pretty good.
Do you work out today, Cole?
Oh yeah.
Do you just fit it in your schedule, or do you have like a set time?
Um, it kind of depends on the day.
You said your girlfriend's a bodybuilder too, right?
Yep.
Do y'all work out together or separate?
Normally separate. It's rare that we work out together.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Probably different routines and all that kind of stuff too, huh?
Oh, yeah. It was arm day today and an up day.
Yeah, you're looking pretty swole.
Yeah, we're getting there.
Looks like
Oh,
this thing's just gonna range all day.
it could, yeah. If it does that, I'm gonna be done.
Yeah. It's like every time it goes down, somebody grabs it and it goes right back up, but it doesn't ever follow through. That's what's weird. You know?
I missed the first part. What'd you say?
Every time it goes down a little bit, um, it shoots right back up, but it doesn't ever follow through. You know what I mean? Like it just kind of goes to the original spot after it shoots down real quick.
Yeah, it's just kind
I
of
just find that
bouncing and
weird.
pumping.
Yeah.
So 9 more minutes.
We can break this resistance. I mean, it's gone. Gold isn't doing much either.
Yeah, black box is kind of the same. I'll typically just keep my headphones in, and if people try to talk, I'll just like fist bump and keep walking. And usually that works. There's been like one or two people that'll just like come up and tap me and be like, "Oh, bro, I was gonna talk to you." Like, "Oh, great." That's what I came to the gym for.
Nobody talks to me at my gym.
Yeah, basement gym.
You must get asked for advice all the time.
Yeah.
Do you really get asked for a lot of advice?
Who, me?
Yeah.
Sometimes depends on the day. Who's all there?
Do you see an influx of people during New Year's?
Oh my God, it's been way too busy.
I bet.
Mm-hmm.
It'll die down next month.
Yep.
Yeah, it's unfortunate. I mean, good for me because then it's not busy, but kind of sucks. Nobody can kind of stick to anything.
That's true.
That first month is good intentions for sure.
My thing is, if you have to wait for New Year's to get motivated to do something, you're probably not going to do it anyway.
That's right.
Yeah.
I think they say like 80% of people fail.
Yep.
Yep. Oh, damn, that's pretty cool. Black box.
Wait for the 8 o'clock.
Yep, I think we should. If we're gonna get something, it'll come 8:30. If not, then just call it a night. I would say.
Yeah.
Mhm.
So, Keem, what part of New York are you from?
Brooklyn.
Nice. You gonna let me stay with you if I come visit?
Hell no.
She said,
I'm messing with you. I'm messing with you.
Yeah, it is expensive out here though.
I've never been. I need to go visit one day. You know.
You can go visit. Just don't go visit him.
Do what?
So you'll definitely like the city, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, I said you can go visit. Just don't go visit him. Yeah, this 4 hour can close a little higher. That would look like some nice buys.
Yeah, it needs to push up a little bit, huh?
A little bit higher, yeah. Too many lines on here. Oh. Ugh.
So, Dallas, you think it breaks the trend line and we're going up?
Yeah, I think so, especially if it breaks above, or if it stays above 192, that small resistance on the 15, and if it closes above 200, that would make a very decent 4-hour flip, and not just like a super indecision flip, at least from, like, in my opinion. But if this closes bearish below like 173, then I really don't know.
Yeah, it's kind of hard to call.
Just really want this to close at or around 200. I think buys would be solid.
That was on the.
Yeah.
Looks good.
Two more minutes.
You wanted to close above 200, right?
Yeah. That way it'll close above the most recent resistance. Problem is there's a ton of resistance at like 205.
Yep.
That's the only thing I'd be looking at. On the 30 minute, sorry. On the 15, it's kind of like steps down.
Like 230.
Yeah.
Looks good.
But what matters, from what I've studied and learned, is the most recent areas of rejection.
So that would be 200, roughly 195.
Yeah.
So yeah, 50 seconds of this 30-minute close is good. We should be okay.
Make or break. Here we go.
You want to do a countdown like 10, 9.
Ooh. Yeah, I'm not so sure. Let's see the 4 hour.
4 hour looks
That was decent-ish.
looks nice. Let's check out the 4. Yeah, I made a lower low and a lower high. Yeah, I think a 15 or a 30-minute close above there is gonna be good. Cause this 4 hour is probably gonna want to make a bottom wick. Yep. See you later, MB. You probably left already. Funnier. 5. I only look at like 15 and 30-minute flips. So.
Here we go.
You guys got in it already?
Yeah, I've been in since 143.15.4.
Oh wow.
Nice.
I didn't want to say anything. Just in case
Yeah, I was about to say. Now you speak up.
Didn't want to jinx yourself.
No. And y'all were still in cells, so I didn't want to be that guy, you know.
That 4 hour bottom wick could be rejection. It could be where price wants to go. But it's bullish, so.
We really just got to get above this level.
Yep. King Khan, nothing just yet. Nothing yet, Jimmy. Let's see if we can break above. Otherwise, it'll just range. So if we get a break above in 30 minutes, we'll take it. If not, then that will be it for the day.
You know what? I'm gonna take my 5 pips.
Huh?
I think I'm just going to take my 5 pips.
And wait for a break.
Yeah.
You're taking shorts, Nick? Okay. I mean, 4R did make lower low, lower high, so.
This would be fucked up, man.
Mm-hmm. I don't know if it goes down. I'm not gonna take anything. I don't like it going down. Let's just get a 30 or a 15-minute close above, and that's it. 143, 205. Yep. Weekly resistance. I didn't mark that though. I don't see that on the weekly, Tim. I could see maybe like 236. That's a, yeah. That's all I'd see on the weekly. Thank you, Jimmy.
What is it doing?
Alright, I'm gonna get off tomorrow. I'll see y'all tomorrow.
See you
All right,
later,
buddy,
Mo.
take it easy.
All right, I'll see you.
Yeah, Nix, I like that. That's a good bias. I think I'm gonna call it and get to bed so I can get up on time. But thanks
All right,
everyone.
Bob, thanks for doing the stream, man.
Yep, yeah, we'll be
Yeah,
back.
thanks, man.
We'll be back tomorrow. Hopefully get a better day. But
Yeah.
if you guys liked it, press subscribe, like. If you've made some money on those buys or sells, share it on Instagram. That's up in the top right, up here. And we will be back tomorrow at 5:30.